my name's Richard Mitchell from Montgomery, Texas, and that's about 40 miles north of Houston. And we've brought our 1929 Stutz Lancefield bodied supercharged coupe to the show, and we'd like to talk about a little bit about it. The car was built specifically for one of the Woolworth brothers in 1929. The main features of the car are, of course, the supercharger. Stutz was renowned for building very fast, sporty, high-end cars during the era. The engine is 322 cubic inches and naturally aspirated. It's about 135 horsepower. With the supercharger engaged, it goes to 165. Really nice car, fun to drive, beautiful car. The lines on it are just exquisite. This is the only one remaining. This is the only one in the world. Yeah. Well, actually, in 1929, in the most read automotive magazine in England, that's what they referred to it as being the most sinister car of the decade. It's just a neat car. It's difficult, you know, that every time you look at this car, you see something different. There's a different curve. There's a different way the sunlight hits it. The lowered roof. I think the 34 Fords were probably the first ones to come out with sort of an American car, American production car, to come out with something that was anything close to this. I watched it for about 7 years go through different hands, and it finally came up for auction actually it was at the Pebble Beach auction in 2010, and I bought the car there. It's that sinister look, you know, the styling, it grabs you. You know, if you have the ability to own something like this, you're going to want it. That's it.
Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube.